Hello everyone. Today we will try to understand one of the concept in SQL which is joins concept. Joins. So this joins concept is not only appears in SQL, we have seen in Excel, Power BI, Tableau, almost everywhere we can see this joins concept, and why we are using joins concept, that's a separate topic and we will discuss little later, because I already posted one video which is explicit joins and implicit joins in our YouTube channel. You check out the video there. And first of all, when somebody is speaking about joins, they will always tell you the inner join and outer joins, left join, right join, outer join or full outer join we call. But these are the common joins, and I'm not going to explain about all these joins right now. I'm going to try some different joins, which is cross join, CROSS, cross join, and one more join is self join. Now, of course, even I'm not going to discuss about cross join also right now, and we are going to discuss about self join right now. So, what exactly mean by self join actually? So, in reality, most of the times we will face such kind of issues where you want to compare within the self table only. For example, if you want to join, for example, why we will use joins to combine or to get the output from the two different tables, two or more actually. Okay, so, but self join, it is only available one table, and from there we should get the details. So that's the reason here I have given one small example that you have mentioned employee IDs and we have mentioned names. This is a manager ID. So manager ID nothing but here you can see employee ID one. His name is Raju. His manager is employee ID three, which is Bob. So in such cases, it's we need to compare within the self tables. So first of all, what is mean by self join? Here you can look at that. A self join is a join operation where table is joined to itself. So we're joining itself. And next, when dealing with hierarchical data examples, you can see family trees when each record has a reference to another record with the same table. Example, here you can see this particular records are referencing these based on these two columns, right? And the most important things we have to use something called column alias here. Why should we use column alias here? For example, when you're writing a normal inner join, the column alias is not required. Why? Because it's simply when you are joining two tables, two different names we have. But whereas in self join, you're joining within the table only. That's the reason you don't find, sorry, we have to use column alias. So let's write a query first. What's my table name first? Let me check. Select star from system.tables. So to get all my tables, yes, these are my tables available, and this is my table name. Let me copy this one. So let me write select star. I'm sorry, from this table. Let me see the information first. Yeah, this is the information available. Now I want to know select name. Which name? Employee name or manager name? So that's the reason t1 dot name comma t2 dot name. What is this t1 and t2? Let's see. So from employees self join, I just copy pasted as t1. Here is the column alias I used as t1. T1 nothing but table 1 I used in place of t1 t2. You can use anything, there is no problem. And join against employee self join, because same table t2, t2. So now on t2 dot, which table, I'm sorry, which is the what is the name in the t2, manager id is equal to t1 dot employee id. Now let's do that one. Now what you're understanding here, This is a manager name. This is a employee name, right? Here you can write T1 dot name as manager name as employee name. Now just run the query, you will get the answer. Oh, there is something wrong here. What's wrong? Okay, I got the mistake where it is. This is a mistake. So here you can see T2 dot name. Here we should write not here. We should write here because this is a column alias, right? Now let's execute this one. Yep. So now you're getting the answer. So thing is, it is joining in the self table only. Okay. So just do practice this one once, so then you will understand more. You take any other example. I have taken employees example, or you can take any family tree example, or any different example. You can try to Google it. You will find a different examples. That's all for today, and thank you so much. And we will learn more concept in the future classes. Thank you.